Welcome to our channel, where we explore the fascinating world of human psychology. In today's video, we'll be discussing a powerful psychological technique known as reverse psychology. This technique is used to influence others to do what we want them to do by making them believe they are making a decision that is contrary to our wishes. It covers the basics of reverse psychology, how it works, and how to use it to your advantage in your daily life. So, if you're ready to learn about this powerful psychological tool, let's get started. Reverse psychology is a technique used to influence someone to do the opposite of what is being suggested. In other words, it is the act of saying or doing the opposite of what is expected to achieve a specific outcome. Reverse psychology is often used in advertising, sales, and even parenting. The 7 psychological laws of power are a set of principles that are designed to help individuals achieve success in their personal and professional lives. These laws were first introduced by Robert Greene in his book, The 48 Laws of Power. Here is a brief explanation of each law. Number 1, never outshine the master. This law suggests that you should never be too good or too successful in front of your superiors, as it may make them feel insecure and threaten their position. Number 2, never put too much trust in friends. Learn how to use enemies. This law emphasizes the importance of being cautious and skeptical about your friends, as they may betray you in the future. Instead, it suggests that you should learn to use your enemies to gain power and control. Number 3, conceal your intentions. This law suggests that you should keep your plans and intentions a secret, as doing so will give you an advantage over your opponents. It also suggests that you should mislead your opponents by giving them false information. Number 4, always say less than necessary. This law suggests that you should speak less and listen more, as it will make you appear more mysterious and powerful. It also suggests that you should be careful about what you say, as words can be used against you. Number 5, so much depends on reputation. Guard it with your life. This law suggests that your reputation is everything, and you should do everything in your power to protect it. It also suggests that you should use your reputation to gain power and control. Number 6, court attention at all costs. This law suggests that you should do whatever it takes to get attention, as it will make you appear more powerful and influential. It also suggests that you should create a spectacle or controversy to get attention. Number 7, let your achievements speak for themselves. This law suggests that you should let your accomplishments and successes do the talking for you. It also suggests that you should be humble and avoid bragging about your accomplishments. Listen to the following short story. Picasso was known for his artistic genius, but he was also known for his stubbornness and temper. One day, a woman approached him and asked him to create a portrait of her. Picasso agreed, but warned her that it would be a very difficult process. For days, the woman sat for Picasso as he worked on the portrait, becoming more and more frustrated with each stroke of his brush. Eventually, he put down his brush and declared the portrait finished. When the woman saw the portrait, she was disappointed. It was nothing like she had imagined it would be. She asked Picasso if he could make some changes, but he refused. He told her that he had done the best he could and that he was sorry that she didn't like it. The woman left, feeling frustrated and unsatisfied with the portrait. But as she walked away, she couldn't help but feel curious about what Picasso had really seen in her. She came back to him and asked him to create another portrait, but this time she asked him to do it his way. Picasso agreed, and the second portrait was a masterpiece. The woman was thrilled with the result, and she realized that Picasso had used reverse psychology on her, knowing that she would be more satisfied with the second portrait if she thought it was his idea. The story of Picasso's reverse psychology tactics has become a famous example of how a skilled communicator can use persuasion to get what they want, even in the face of resistance. In conclusion, reverse psychology is a powerful technique that can be used to influence behavior and motivate individuals to take action. By suggesting the opposite of what we want someone to do, we can trigger a response that leads them to do what we actually want them to do. As Mark Twain once said, the best way to persuade someone is not by telling them, but by showing them. Ultimately, reverse psychology can be a useful tool in certain situations, but it should be used with caution and with the intention of helping others rather than simply getting what we want. Overall, reverse psychology and the 7 psychological laws of power are powerful techniques that can be used to influence and achieve success. However, it is important to use these techniques ethically and responsibly. Subscribe, like, and share this channel with your friends. Thank you, friends. I hope you like this video.